Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing look number 2 using the Kara Beauty Daydream palette. If you love greens, you're going to love this palette. You're going to love this color story. It's very beautiful, and the lid shade that I'm wearing today from the palette is very surprising. It's very beautiful. It has a shift to it. It's a duochrome. And let's get started. So I've already primed my lids with the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer and used hard candy setting spray under my eye to catch any fallout that I might have. The first shade I'm picking up is called Deepest Wish, and I'm using that in my crease as a transition shade. This shade in the end will only be peeking out the tiniest bit over the outer corner shade, and therefore we're placing it in our crease and we're going to blend it out. We're going to be messy with this step because most of it will be covered up. Like I said, it is just going to be a transition shade for blending, basically. Just a tiny bit of it's going to peek over top of the outer corner shade. Next shade is called, I believe, Tranquil, and I'm placing that in my outer corner, and I'm using the same brush to do so, and I'm just kind of pressing that in the outer corner. This will also help eliminate some fallout as well if you press it and really get it, work it in there, instead of just sweeping. And those two blend together very seamlessly, as you can see. The next shade is called, this next shade is like the bronzy coppery, very metallic shade in the palette. It's gorgeous and it has this red shift to it. Right now you can see it on my right eye towards the inner corner. It pulls red as well, and it's just a very unique shade. The metallics and the shimmers in this little palette are so shockingly stunning. They're so easy to work with. They're very creamy. They're super pigmented. And you'll see me go through it, and I'm just going to continue to add color to the outer corner and the crease line and blend all at the same time. I found my palette at Marshall's for $5.99. and I'm using the AOA Studio pressed powder to highlight with. So I'm just going to place that directly under the brow bone, and then I'm going to start blending that down into the crease. This not only will help shape the look, but it's going to give the look a more blended out look. Very soft edges towards the brow bone. And I always say this in my videos, this is like my favorite part. I love the transition crease shade blending out or up into the highlight area. I'm also applying the crease shade we used in or on the lower lash line. I'm going to be using the hard candy liquid eyeliner in the shade Money, I believe. It's a glittery green, and I'm going to dip into this well a couple times and build that up and make a wing. And a very beautiful eyeliner at that, very beautiful green. And there is my wing. And next I'm taking the LaColors metallic eyeliner in gold, and I'm just gonna kind of highlight that to tell and bring it just a little on the outer corner and give myself like a double wing effect. Now LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black, tightline with, and that's Santee's gel eyeliner in green, light green, I believe. Clinque High Impact Mascara, and I'm going to do a couple coats of that, and our eyes are done, and I'm going to use hard candy setting spray to set my makeup in place. And I'm also going to be using the LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. And that's all I'm using today. And there's our finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more looks using the Kara Beauty Daydream palette. I love greens. I love green color stories, so stay tuned. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.